Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys, and welcome back. I started this vlog on Sunday. Today is Friday. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do weekly vlogmas. Let's put up the Christmas tree, coming back tomorrow to update. No weekly vlogmas this year, guys. This year is a wrap for me. Like, this year is a wrap for me. Like, even I came home from work today early and I already did this. I recorded what I wanted to say. Did it save on the memory card? Absolutely not. Why? Because 2024, throw it away. Like, I'm so happy if any of you guys had a great year, but for me, I can't share the same sentiments. Like, it started off good. May came, I lost my nephew, and it's just been a shit show ever since then. Like, I feel like after losing Cam, my feelings and my emotions have been heightened to a degree, and like, I don't know, but I've just been analyzing every single aspect of life, like all my relationships, just me personally, where I am in my career and all of this stuff. Like, I've just, yeah, like, it's been very eye-opening, stressful, a lot. All the negative words that you can possibly think of, that is what 2024 meant to me, okay? Hate this year. And I can't wait to forget about it. Mind you, there were some great parts. But if I had to put it on a scale, the negative definitely outweighed the bad this year. So, yeah. Anyways, as we are speaking about Cam, this month is his birth month. So, it's going to be his first heavenly birthday. Yeah. So, I have been going back and forth for the longest time on whether or not I was going to be able to go to Jamaica and be there with Kiana for this birthday. I was so close to not making it, but we are going. So I think I did mention it on Sunday that we are traveling very soon. And when I said very soon, I meant very, very soon, because I literally bought my ticket on Friday and I'm leaving Sunday. So yeah. I do have a stopover, however, so I will be stopping over in Philly, luckily. So I'm going to, and I'm there for literally a good 24 hours. So I'm gonna go stay by day. Her mom already asked me to help put up their Christmas tree, so I know I have that task. I'm also needing to take a nap. I need to go to Target and I need to visit Five Below. So I hope she knows that in the middle of her gym schedule and anything else that she has on schedule for Sunday. Those are two things that I definitely need to do, because it's not very often I get to go to the States. I want to do. Those are two stores that I have to visit. So I am doing that, so I get to see Kai, I get to see Day, and then head over to Jamaica and get to celebrate Cam's first birthday not being here. Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I got some packages today, so let me show y'all what I got really quickly. I got a package from Amazon, and I got the other half of my Shein package. Should we start with Shein first? This is not even for me, y'all, so there's not really much I have to show you guys. This is basically for Angie. She sent me a cart full of things that she wanted, and luckily it arrived on time. Woo. I think I only have 2 things in here for myself. Oh yeah, she has shoes in here too. I got this free add-on thing. I really thought they would have sent me the yellow. They sent me gray. Whatever. Shein. Is there something special? Oh, it's a mirror. That's cutesy. Yeah, so I got that. Put that on my key. Alright, I got a bag. Cute little everyday side bag, because I realized the last time that I went down, I was wearing my, I had a white one, and I just don't like wearing white every day. Especially the material that it was. Yeah, no. So I got this. Simple, but we'll go with everything basically. And then once I bring the strap all the way down, like, yeah, cutesy. Yeah, simple and cute, and there's a lot of space inside, so my camera will fit, the tripod will fit, extra batteries and stuff will fit, my purse will fit. Yeah, everything will fit in here, which is perfecto. Perfect. So that's mine. I think this is mine. Okay, I got this short set. Y'all, this trip is not about dressing up or anything like that for me, so do not expect any like fashion sort of content or anything like that. That is not what this trip is for. I am literally probably going to be inside all day every day, but it's Jamaica, you get what I mean? But I'm probably more than likely going to be inside all day every day because majority of the time everybody's going to be at work. The most though I might do is probably part with Uncle John in the daytime because he can have people with him at work. So maybe I'll just do that, and maybe if Angie's on an off day or whatever and we go in town or whatever, then there'll be a little bit of, you know, but for the most part I'm going to be inside. So I just packed a lot of judging clothes for my non-Jamaicans, loungewear, active wear, them type of something, because again, it's not that kind of a trip. I'm so annoyed. I hate when they do this ish. Like, this is not the color that it was. Anyways, I got this bodysuit. I was hoping I could wear it down, but yeah, we'll see. Or maybe I'll just wear it there. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm wearing to Jamaica. Like, I really and truly don't know anything right now. Oh, ooh. I got this zebra print dress. Yes, I got this. Love this. Love that. Yeah, girl. Yeah. So I got that. That's that. Everything else is Miss Barrett's. And then from Amazon. Oh, I'm not spending Christmas there, just to let you guys know, because it is December the 6th right now. Right now. It's December the 6th, but I will not be staying in Jamaica. No, I'm not staying in Jamaica for Christmas. I'm coming back to spend Christmas with my man. So yeah, I had to get a memory card. I needed a new memory card, so I got a memory card from Amazon. I also got some envelopes because, you guys, I don't want to talk too much about it, but Babe and I are going to be celebrating something for regarding our anniversary next year. So I had to get some envelopes so that when I go to Jamaica, I can give the invites to the people that are in Jamaica. So I have to finish working on these, but basically almost done. I just have the inserts to print and the cards themselves to print. So I'm super excited about that. I'm not talk about nothing though, y'all. I'm not talk about nothing until like way closer to like where I know nothing can stop anything, because I feel like I talk about a lot of things prematurely and then shit happens, and then yeah, and this is something that I've been planning for way too freaking long for it not to fully happen the way that I want it to happen. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, that was that. And then I got some hair from Amazon. I got some bundles from Amazon. If I can find the name, I will put the name down for you guys. Let's see what we're working with. The reviews weren't bad. Some of them were, some of them weren't. They gave me a wig cap. And I got 3 bundles. 20, 22, 24. Yeah. It's like indoor. Very, very thin. It don't feel too bad actually. Doesn't really have a bad smell. It says it's 100% human hair. So let's see. And this wasn't bad in terms of price. I think all three of these were 118 Canadian dollars. 118 Canadian dollars. Y'all, I can't tell you the last time I personally spent my own money and bought hair, because I just feel like, yes, you get great use out of it, but it's a huge like, maybe if I'm not getting a sponsorship, I ain't buying it. But yeah, the 2022 and 24 inch, it sheds, but could be a lot worse. It does shed. Yeah. But whatever, as I said, I wasn't gonna do the most, and I really did not want to spend all week doing my hair because I had so much other things to do. I just literally finished an order. Mind you, I came home early today. I don't know if I said that. I came home early. My period is here. My belly was cramping me, so I had to come home early. Plus, I had to pick up my package before the people that in my building come and teeth it. Yeah. So, yeah. Now, I don't know, as I said, what I'm going to do. I don't know if I want to just do a regular side part, and then if I do a side part, am I doing a quick weave, or am I sewing it in? Because I feel like I don't want to ruin my bundles. Right? Should I wash them and air dry them, or just put them in? I think I'll just put them in. I don't have the time to do all of that shit. Yeah. But this was cheaper. Y'all, my mind. This was cheaper than the 18, 20, 22. Yeah, this was cheaper than the 18, 20, 22. The 18, 20, 22 I think was like 130. And this I said was 120. So, kind of tinnish though. It's not from the 20 because obviously that's a shorter length, but it can work. So yeah, my debacle is whether I want to do a half up, half down. I think I'm just gonna do the side part because I don't think I want to have any ponytail in my head. I feel like after a while I'm gonna be so annoyed with it. I'm not gonna be able to sleep properly on the side part. It is. Drop some flexi rods in there or some wand curls in there and go on about my business. Yeah, that would be cute and girly. At least I can tie it up when we're ready, put it in a bun, and yeah, call it a day. And I'll still look cute and girly in the event that we go anywhere or anything like that, to like eat or anything like that. Kenna's not a partier or anything, so I highly doubt I'll be. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for now. I guess when I'm coming back to pack, I'll take you guys with me, but that's about it for now, honestly, you guys. I'm gonna finish working on these invite stuff and tidy up before babe comes home with his miserable self. Just kidding, love you. But yeah, tidy up a little bit so the place isn't so much in a mess. Tomorrow I need to wash and just pick up like any last minute things, which I don't really have a lot to do. I need to go pick up some Christmas decorations for Day's tree. And yeah, do my nails tomorrow because this is what we're looking like, y'all. My not too much on the nails. So I need to do my nails, I need to do my toes, and then I need to come home and do my lashes myself. I don't think I want to wax my eyebrows just because I've been shaving them down. Yeah, I can't be bothered with that, but I think I do need a chin, yeah, wax. So yeah, that's it. I'm not as stressed out anymore. I was stressed out before, but I'm not as stressed out now. I think I'm just gonna do the little side parts to go to Jamaica and call it a day with my little leave outs. Yeah, nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. I feel like society now has made us feel like, oh my gosh, we need to have this wig and we need to have this installed and we need to have like all these outfits and we need to do all of that. Mind you, if that's what you like to do, fine. But I just feel, I don't like how society and social media has made us feel like that is what you have to do in order to say like you're going on a vacation or whatever the case may be. When me I got Jamaica, if I could just pack my yard clothes, I would be content, but I'm off of the road. Like, what? Anyways, it's home. I can't wait to do my TikToks. I think that's the only thing I'm excited about, and obviously seeing my sister, and yeah, getting to spend time with her. So, and going to visit Cami. I'm debating as to whether or not to bring him something. Like, well, I guess I should, right? I'm gonna go and see what kind of cars I can get, because he did love cars. So I'm gonna see what kind of car I can get. I did buy some memorial balloons because I want to release some balloons of some sort. So I was looking at lanterns, but I don't know if we're allowed to release those in Jamaica. So I'm gonna want to do that, and I'm gonna want to catch nowhere a fire, and then come blame me. So I think the balloons is the safest thing. So I did order some balloons. They're supposed to come tomorrow. If push comes to shove, they don't, then I'll just order them, and hopefully they can arrive in time at days, so I can just pack those there. And yeah, I do need to do my online immigration form thingy thing, but I think I should be able to do my hair tonight, at least start it, at least braid it with, you know, whatever. If I need to finish it tomorrow, then that's fine. But for the most part, y'all, pretty good. I'm pretty good. Pretty good. It's just the nails that need to be done. And yeah, so if anything interesting happens, I will come back. Until then, bye. Cream is in. I can already feel it, but I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna wash it out and start. And we're good for time, although I still do have somebody that is coming to pick up their order, but I did tell her anytime after 6, because baby, it's a weekday, so anytime after 6. It's 4:39 right now, still good for time. Baby's doing overtime. He would have been home already, but he's doing overtime, so he's not coming home till later. Yeah, I'm not come home till later, so I got, hopefully by the time he comes home or is leaving work, like, I'm very progressed in my hair, because I just know he's gonna come in and he's gonna bother me. So yeah, but yeah, that's where we're at. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, bye.
But do my shima, I'ma get be my shima. I done put my weight in my. Say make a liver, I'm a waiting, no. Banna winner, wait fit on man to sinner. Oh baby, pull up in my bima. You know promise and in a wait, oh no. Wait people, when I relate, oh. I said the do just take baby. I'm a you late, oh. I say wait people, when say we late, oh. I said the do just take baby people. When I be met, oh. I got to love for me. I got to love. Chad Malin ain't no ghostwriter. How I they give them better lamba? Pull my weight, ain't no boss tighter. Oluwa too much, oh. Man just they ask why you still love on me. Baba you too much, oh. Man still they ask why you too love. Where people, when I relate, oh. I saw the do just take baby. I'm a you late, oh.
Support me verb them
Millions, yeah. To make it what a dare. Suppose me was a regular youth with just hustle and a sell things on the corner. Woo, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, my hair is kind of flourishing. Like, it have like little body to it now. Like, my hair is really thin, but it has a little body to it, and it has like, it's getting lengthy. Not gonna lie. But I do need to go and get like a good like treatment and like trim. Like, that's what I really need so that my hair can like properly grow. Like, I give myself a little one, but yeah. And we ain't gonna do one today because I ain't got the time for that. I'm just gonna part my hair. I think I want a deep side part. Yeah. And deep. How deep? Yeah, and get the road on the show, guys, because time is going. It's 5:45 now. Hopefully I can finish my hair by like midnight and then go to sleep. And then tomorrow all I'll have to do is just do my nails, pick up 2 little things, like, you know, a couple biscuit, couple peanuts, couple things. I have deodorant, so I'm gonna need none of that. I have toothpaste, so I'm gonna need none of that. I have extra toothbrush, so I'm gonna need none of that. What else? I was thinking of getting like pre-Christmas gifts, but really and truly, nobody wants anything this year. Everybody wants money, and I understand. I want money myself. Me's a charity this year, so I'm gonna really have it for give it out. And I have things coming up that I'm saving for, so Christmas is kind of X off for me this year. Like, if you're not a kid, I don't participate. I love you, but sorry. 1 and 2, but you know, yeah, for the most part, yeah. Like, even me and Babe right now, like, we're talking about it, and we're just like, do you want to get, like, we can get like each other like 1 gift maybe, like, and that's what I'm thinking. I think I'm gonna bring it to him today and just be like, let's get the 1 gift. Like, maybe let's just go to the mall one day. If there's something that we want, I'll get it. If there's something that you want, you'll get it, like, type thing, and call it a day. Because to be really and truly, to be real, like, I don't know what I want for Christmas. Oh no, the only thing that I told him that I want back is my Pandora bracelet. Like, I want my Pandora bracelet back, so that's probably the only thing that I want. Yeah, I feel like I have everything else, and I feel like I have life, the family and friends that I have left in my life, like, that's all. As I said earlier this year, like, that is my main focus. Like, my family, which includes my closest friends, is my main focus. Like, that's all. And I'm grateful for the ones that I still have here left. And yeah, I'm not really care for no vanity, nothing right now. But my Pandora bracelet was really, really meaningful to me, because he did get it for me as my anniversary gift. And I've been wanting a Pandora bracelet, y'all, I think since like 2015. Like, it's all that I've ever talked about. I meant to do like friendship Pandora bracelets with so many people, and it never worked out. And I've just always talked about wanting a Pandora bracelet. Never ended up going and looking for it. I don't even think I've ever stepped foot in Pandora. I've been on the website, but stepped foot in, I don't think I ever have. So the fact that he remembered that and went and got it for me, like, yeah, it was so meaningful, and it was so pretty. I never even got the chance to show it to you guys. Like, I'm so irritated, but whatever, everything happens for a reason. Whoever found it, I hope you enjoy it, because it meant a lot to me. But yeah, I'm gonna start part on my ear and start braid up the ear, people. So yeah, when I start sewing the ear, me come back. Okay guys, it is time for the installation. I'm all braided up. Don't mind the hey, no butter. I am all braided up. I'm ready to start. I don't know, y'all, I'm a little nervous. I feel like I should go the quick weave route, but we move because we are here. Already no going back. I'm gonna look in the description box. You guys will see the link to my Amazon storefront. If you guys ever need anything, go to my Amazon storefront. Everything will be listed there. So I will link the bundles there. This is the 24. Let's start with her. It is 7:04. The girl that is supposed to come pick up her order is not coming anymore. She's not coming till tomorrow, so at least I don't have to stop and do that. But I know I'm gonna have to go and look something for us to eat. I think I'm just gonna order pizza and wings, because when I say babe, I go come in and I'm gonna cook. I should have got wine. Okie dokie. Is it true? I don't want to be in my head all night. Whoa! Yeah, girl. All right, bye. All right, guys, this is what we're looking like after the first bundle. Yeah. I don't even know what it looks like after the first bundle. Let me do. Okay. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna run out of hair, but let's see. This is 22. know if I had come back before y'all, but this is us after 2 bundles. I'm about to put in the last. And we're basically done. I'm basically done this side, but I am gonna do like one final round. I'm just gonna fill in this part here. And we're good to go. Battery dead. I'll be back. They want a new nail salon. Like, this is their bathroom. I don't want to talk too loud. Come in the shop. You can't hear me from. You can't hear me inside. This is the bathroom. Okay, you pampas in the bathroom, people. Remember before somebody won't come use the bathroom, but I literally just did my nails and I'm so freaking in love. Like, they're doing what I want. I'm gonna go do my toes. I got a complimentary pedicure because, baby, if y'all see my toes, Kiana was like, girl, you can't come on me out look so after fits. Yeah, I did not finish my hair, but so come back. Hi guys, so it's after 1. It's like 1:10 in the morning right now. I literally just finished curling up my hair and everything. It's officially done. I'm just gonna leave it like this until I'm ready to go to the airport. I really would leave it like this all day, but I don't want to look wild in the airport even though it's super early. I get to Philly at like 9:30 and then I'm there all day. Gonna be running around and then helping Day's mom put up their Christmas tree. So yeah, but for the most part I'm done. I'm packed, everything is ready to go. Like, y'all, I am no hustle, no bustle. Yeah. I don't know why I feel like when I was going down in July, like I was scrambling for time. But I'm not now. I'm gonna go in the shower now. I was gonna shave. I'm gonna see what my legs are looking like. I don't think I need to. And for what I think I'm gonna wear down, I don't think I need to. So I think I'm good. I'm not gonna shave. No, I'm not gonna do that. That's absolutely diabolical. I'm not gonna shave probably my pits because ears start growth there. So that's about it. And then just wait until I'm gonna go to the airport. My cousin said that he would take me. That's if he wakes up. And then I just have to throw in my last little bit of stuff, like my deodorant, my toothbrush, all the stuff that I'm gonna be using now. I was wondering if I should bring a towel today's, but nah. I packed one suitcase. I have two suitcases plus a hand luggage. I packed one suitcase with like all the stuff that I'm gonna need for tonight, Sunday night at Dave's. So if anything, I can just leave this one in her car, depending on how I'm getting to the airport in the morning or whatever the case may be. If she takes me, I can just leave it in the car. If I have to take an Uber, then I'll take everything out. But I think I'm good. I ate some stew peas. I still have some left over. Yeah. And then yeah, so I think that's gonna be about 8 guys for now, until probably when I get to the airport. And then when I get to the airport, yeah, I'll probably come back and check in with you guys. Oh, these are the nails. I went to a new nail salon, as I was telling you guys. So I see this nail salon like when I'm coming home. Well, now that I'm talking to you guys, I'm gonna charge my batteries. I can't find one. I can't find one of my batteries, and I'm kind of irritated because I like to have all 4. But whatever, I found a memory card, so excited about that. But whatchamacallit, what was I gonna say? Yeah, the nail salon, I see it like when I am going and coming from work. So I was like, okay, let me call in, and I was like, do you guys specialize in 3D designs and like airbrush stuff like that? And they were like, yes, we can do all of that. So I was like, all right, cool, let me go there and get my nails done, because I don't know if I've mentioned it to you guys before. I know I did on TikTok, but like my nail lady, I love her, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love the nail lady that I've had for the last couple of years, but my designs that I want, she's not able to do, and I just don't feel like I need to dumb down what it is that I want to do anymore when it comes down to my nails, because I'm paying for a service. I should be happy and get exactly what it is that I want. So like all the designs and ideas and stuff that I have to do for my nails, like she's not able to do. She just deals with polishes. She doesn't deal with any bio gels or anything, not bio gels, but like the builder gels and stuff like that. So just have to leave that alone and go to where I'm gonna get the stuff done. So I got my 3D nails. I freaking love them. I don't mind how they look right now. And then I did French on my toe. Baby, if you guys had seen my toes, I was apologizing to the man. I was just like, sir, yeah. And they gave me a complimentary pedicure, but I know they charged me for it. It's okay, whatever. Anyways, price was great, not complaining. It was better than what I thought it was gonna be. And yeah, I left there, picked up some stuff, and then just came back home, packed, and yeah, did laundry. Like I did a lot. I washed, I did a lot of stuff, and whatever the case may be. I have the garbage to go throw out, so I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna go shower first so I can just, yeah, and then put on my stuff and get ready and go. Because before you know it, I feel like when it comes down to like the last like 2 hours or so, like that's when things start to speed up, and then you're just like, oh my god, like I gotta go. So it's usually me running into the shower and having to do all of that stuff last minute. That's what takes up most of my time, so let me go do that. And as I said, I will come back when I can come back. Miss guys, one ipa pasta, yo, so much transpired. Okay, all right, so I'm at the airport, thankfully, checked in, everything now is great. So my cousin took me to the airport. Like, okay, wait, first of all, I finished everything basically. What's my phone ringing? Oh, sorry, I heard a phone ringing. I thought it was mine. Anyways, so cousin brought me to the airport, made it to, okay, yeah, no, I finished doing everything that I needed to do, showered, did everything, closed up all my suitcases, was done, and it was a little bit after 3, so I was like, all right, let me sleep until 3:45 and then get up, put on my clothes, yada yada yada. So I did that, set my alarm, got up at 3:45, called my cousin, told him I'll be downstairs 4:30. Cool. got ready, went downstairs 4:30. Everything's in the car. We're off to the airport. Boom, no traffic, no nothing. Got to the airport. I think I got to the airport at like 4:45. And got to the airport, and yeah, why I always have a story, eh? It would not be a travel with Zoe if I did not have a story. Anyways, it gets to the airport now, and there's this guy standing up, and I'm like, he's pre me, and I'm just like, oh my god, like I told you I don't like eyes on me, don't like it. So anyways, I heard girl in the pink, so I'm like, yeah. And then I realized he was like, come with me. And I realized it was this girl that I know that was working at the counter. So she was like, come girl, let me check you in. And I was like, skip right through the line of alpha wait. Not as soon as I got in, literally like a minute later, called me up. So went in, checked in, paid for my baggage, all of that kind of stuff. Then went and dropped off my bags. So I'm in the line now. What do you call it? The security. I'm going through security. And the man looks at me and he's like, oh, hold on. Sorry, y'all, camera was mad dusty for a second. Better? Okay. So yeah, so the man was like, ooh, you're special. And I'm like, am I? I mean, I'm like, I know, but am I? And he's just like, yes, they didn't tell you anything? And I'm like, no. Because when I was walking up to security, the lady was like, let me swab your bag. And I was like, okay, go ahead. Like, maybe I am as clean. When it comes down to the airport, even if I do any extracurricular activities prior to, like, I quadruple check all pockets, all everything. I make sure I do not have shit with me, okay? I'm not taking no chances. I'm not losing my flight abilities ever, okay? So she saw my bag. She's like, all right, go. Went, man took my thing, boarding pass, put it in some orange, like, boarding pass holder, and like walked me through everything. I had to do extra like security measures. You want to see, they have me walking up and down through the airport barefoot, y'all. Mind you, I'm going to, as I said, Philly. So the domestic side compared to the international side always gives me so much more anxiety than when I'm going to the international side. I feel like, not saying that they're more easier or lenient, but it's not as strict as it is going to the US, and we all know what happened with 9/11 and all of that kind of stuff, so they have to be, but whoo child. So 4 minutes, not bad. So yeah, did all of that. The man then, after she done brought me through all the security stuff that I had to go through, all the different metal detectors, baby, she had to pat me down. And I'm in my bodysuit that I wore to Jamaica the last time. I ain't wearing it to Jamaica, but I'm wearing it to Philly because, baby, I need to be comfortable. I'm tired. Like, I just want to sit down on that plane. I'll lap my eye. Even though the flight is only an hour and a half or like an hour and 15 minutes, I don't know. I want to sleep. And when I get to days, I need to take a nap before I do any extracurricular activities. But I already sent her my itinerary, so she's like, yeah, we'll do road. And then, yeah. But y'all, yeah, that was my morning. And it's crazy because when I got through after my friend checked me, and I was like, wow, like everything is just easy sailing this time around. Like, I don't know, maybe it's because I didn't braid my hair and that didn't take up like so much of my days. I felt like I forgot to do something or something. Speaking of forgetting something, when I reached, I was like, oh my god, I think I forgot my batteries, like, for my camera. And I was like, there's no way how I would have been able to survive without my batteries. So call babe and I'm like, yo, you're gonna have to Uber me my battery charger, cause I think I left it at the house. But then I was like, oh, my cousin can go and pick it up because he's on the way back and he lives close by. So I was like, can you pick it up for me? And he was like, yeah. But then when I checked, I had it, so I had to cancel that. And yeah, I have everything. I think I'm a-okay. I don't think I left anything, and if I did, it's not important. Everything that's important is definitely in my suitcase. I hope. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't remember seeing the balloons that I bought for Cam. I don't remember seeing the pack. Anyways, fingers crossed it's in there. If it's not, we make shift and do something else. We go buy some balloons in a Montego Bay and call it a day. And yeah. So yeah, guys, that's it for now. When I board, I will take you guys along. But let's go to Philly, see Bright as Day and Kai. I'm so excited to see him. I forgot to buy his bag of chips. I was gonna bribe him so that hopefully he'll be nice to me with the chips. Well, now that he's older, hopefully he's a lot more friendlier. But maybe based on the videos and stuff that I see and the updates and stuff that I get, Kai is so mean. So mean but so sweet, like, you know. Yeah, but I'm excited to see him, and I'm excited to see Day too. It's been a little time. It's not a long time, but yeah, I feel like we need like a good week, like, you know, like we've never had like a good week. It's always been just like a weekend trip, or yeah, it's always just been like a weekend trip, or like, yeah, like a day type, couple hours type thing. So yeah, that's well needed. Anyways, that's my time. I get my Starbucks, I'm gonna go finish that and watch a couple TikToks, y'all. When I land later, I'll talk about all the stuff that's been going on TikTok, because somebody lost their life today, and it's literally been a week since all of the Romesh TJ Moya drama. So it's a lot, but I digress. 8 minutes, that's enough. See you guys on the plane. Y'all, I made it on the plane. But anyways, an hour flight. Amen, amen. Anyways, see you guys later. Almost in Philly. Bye. You tell I'm excited. I'm excited to go to Target. I'm excited to go to Target. Five Below. I gotta go to Bath and Body Works, and the girl got go yesterday after. I'm not even gonna get into her, but so excited to see my friend. Anyways, I'm gonna sleep. Bye. I don't even know. It's a million years later, but here we are. I made it today's. I didn't pull out my camera since I feel like I did, but if I didn't, sorry. Made it today's. It's now after 10, so it's bedtime. I'm happy that I can sleep before this flight, kind of, because I really do like sleeping on the plane. But good girl, tired. I'm tired. Yesterday drained me, and it only made today tiring. Like I accomplished a lot, but I'm tired. Can't explanation. It's tired. Anyways, I did get to go to Target. I got to go to Bath and Body. I got to pick up the candles that I needed. I was able to go to, where else was on my list that I wanted to go to? Five Below. Five Below, and I bought this. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with cup noodles. Like, I have a function coming up, and I feel like I want to give these out as party favors, because what, cup soup is life. Anyways, y'all, it's giving like, hello, I'm a girl. Look at my iPod case. I mean my AirPod. Anyways, this one wasn't bad. Big up Dollar Tree, but the top would never stay on, so but me not that sure all for now, so yeah. I just finished decorating the tree for the most part. There's just a little that needs to be added, and that's about it. What else? Yeah, I'm gonna bed, I'm gonna sleep, and then wake up and gotta people them country tomorrow. I have $2,000 so I can buy a food before me even got me ad. Big up God. And we calling it a day. Put these rods in my hair. My battery's dying, so that's about it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by today. Okay, bye. Oh, you're acting. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. My name is Kai and I'm miserable.
Can you shake your head? No. That's so sweet.
Bye, Pookie.